Abuja for Ahaye GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news and Eramede Bremo. Anuti Sawunya subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say or best subscribe. The obey say over click a subscribe button. Now what barely notification, you know. We understand the video be upload with the first person I was Ebeka ASA video. I feel we are now like a video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my Ato Forson when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. I feel Yambura aye and someone abeto yep no so yiti ayes a report here about to jai Sammy ekoso yiti.
And not tell boy, I'm totally convinced. Somebody say Asante Bediatuo it will take a divine intervention for the NPP to win. And not tell now boy. Whether it was doctored. From where I sit and what I heard, they are opting for Plan B. Plan A, no man say Plan A, saying the masses are saying that they are going to give him his nominal votes. So I short FM guy, no matter what their man. Now, if you listen to the Plan B, they say they want to swap ballot boxes. And yes, and the message said they have to conduct investigation into this. They have to set up a committee. Say DCE no can so man copy electoral commission pay vote na no kan was so many electoral for ni be di nkomo sa nkofo nya se transform
transfer na komo
okay
you can say it's an allegation
and
so you can't just say tell me can call for investigation first
and if it is true
but okay you have to do an investigation
so you do your investigations then you get your basis. Then you look at the relevance of the matter.
One person is in phone so and we say.
The reason why I mean fast and Niago is Kwame another it. See I'm funny say ye krum hobono. Regional minister ni Kofi Apaluko dinkomo. Now regional minister catch us that be abano krano. They be a shesunya ho yentimi wina bani pesi ye wia bani na say swap ballot boxer. I will not take it to be a joke. One, you look at the portfolio of the person. Nipa na wakasa he understands the nitty-gritty about security. We should not joke with it. Nipa no need more ultimate faith and confidence within me.
I understand you perfectly.
What I say? What was somehow can what
do baby so in politics, what relationships I say? It's saying.
One
your cancer, Nipa no cancer no fun.
So I say per my chest. There you say answer say muntamunye.
I saw muntam en. Tioroka na ye no wan say afedi obe friend say.
Thank you.
Boame.
Thank you. What na asem so bi mo say. Ayi abo papuma report na my regional minister. I'm a regional minister besides again any problem. And so it tells you that Kwame, you should not joke with it. And this kind of elections, they are very, very worrisome. It's whereby NIPA 22 is going as independent candidate out from the New Patriotic Party. It's a serious matter. Kwame, you know, in 2020, 20 people in an year NPP for Mokasa Derby, they are going as independent candidate. In 2020 elections, and Muma 20. Like I said, they are going as independent candidates. And this thing really happened and it affected the New Patriotic Party. Kwame, if you look at 2020 elections, before the elections, Agyarko Sanuma when you are is internal primaries. The roadmap to the elections, no more CCs, you know. Any push a man for Mokasa Derby, we are going for this kind of independent candidates. Kwame, if you look at 2020 before the elections, Obianim say Yenisem, and no more BCC, especially in Asante region. On the post, will be crap performs at Tawon Yabi, and at be Kwame your bar, and so on. People registered their displeasure, saying that there be this is a political party. A moment say Obiania Brady, but you see, I didn't hear Yabotre. Open baby back Kwame. There was a serious component problem. It was Asante Bediatuo. Who's Asante Bediatuo? A blue baby director of elections for the NPP was a court of conduct jurisdiction at China catching and say, a horny and two internal primaries. Chama would miss what you veto power. Chama won't know so using veto power as a regional chairman. Yan Kwaku Annan and a Kojo Kyeremanteng. Okay, Kojo Kyeremanteng. And only part in a Tomano. So Kaiso Moya almost there be omni Kwaku Annan. That thing affected the New Patriotic Party. Now, Kwame, if you look at 2024 the idea, and committee to say if you look at the internal primaries course one, let me give a standing ovation to Red Dinde Justin Kodia. Well, Kwame, this kind of elections or more we are said down can say you'll be called as an unopposed person. Say be a Kwame there be una buying feel una government ni feel na way so bet mu aye adwuma and to call as there be this time round you so be mus anybody be an near bia person to me call representing the NPP for parliament and want to be the parliamentary candidate no kwakwa so ho den we Kwame Royal Justin Kodia na nkofo e make sure say from where I sit processes na course ready and can be feeling say it was a fair process but Kwame I'm talking from a distance. So we saw what contest abanibia. And no man will come no man the person is not happy with it. No man the person is not happy with it. One major problem in Tia Sense Kwame. I didn't tell NPP for your internal primaries in India. Especially reconciliation has always become a problem for them. Reconciliation. Where? They say 22 people and independent candidates. They are coming from the new patriotic party. Kwame Sadi is very, very dangerous. The money is dangerous. They say, Obi or independent candidate on when Yabano, but the Obet Mama won't out with my Yaban and community marshal. Gyamfi say so could people say Asante Bediatuo for Kwame. Baby Bakwas a month for expectations was through. Almost Philly said the independent candidate can win the elections. You know, or here bow and I felt or here BB. They deny confuse me. And not tell our boy a crack. I will say, even the current MP and the DCE, they have admitted. So this kind of elections is extremely difficult for them to win the elections. A group baby will take no kind of meeting if it is true. They have to swap the ballot box. A chance of one is not a safe seat for the new patriotic party. Open baby backward, there's a lot of fashion. Asante Bediatuo. Kojo Baji my camp ho. Abua Papo camp ho. And the appear could be camp ho. And a source FM guy camp ho. So within one geographical hemisphere, about 4 camps. And this kind of problem the NPP won't be solved. And it tells you very, very problematic. If you look at this kind of elections, roadmap no muja to so biabet nyako. But Kwame, mami kind of control. Sad DCE, and it is also affecting the NPP. One means me no apalu nyaduma, means me Kwame nyaduma. Obate he found the free bar, obate so Jubilee House. Come on, DCB. Or there was one minute when nyaduma, and there be when you were on the preferred candidate, or when you come into nyaduma, means me nyaduma. Sad problem, maybe na so wenchino. Kwame sad problem no. Ebi na asi wo wenchino. So yes, ebi na asi wo wenchino. Because a man for Felisa Derby, able bet me a brampa na ye adwuma. A man for some masters no Derby a pollution epe. And that has affected the new patriotic party. Let's be honest and sincere. Young can okre. And Kwame, o hwe san nkofo we eba. Nipa 22 de Kwame ano hye. 22. Kwame ano hye o. Candidates Makumaku 22 withdrawing their services from the new patriotic party. Going as independent candidates Kwame ano hye. And Kwame de keka no. Ansha NPP. Say some kita 42 and 41.
That is seat no.
Seat no.
And I be saying you 47 or what?
And I'm before say 42.
For Odi Ayeka 43.
What do I can want? Asiama. That's why some NPP needs to say. This current parliament is not an NPP person. So why should he bring in him? Only NPP needs to say. This current parliament, when you NPP need or your independent candidate.
So no one that
and how did I be? He's an independent candidate. So NPP in 2016. As a baby, Omulusuya was just about 2. As one say, Drobonso, and a 3. Kwame, now the NPP, if you look at the kind of votes Omulusuya in 2020, it should be a wake-up call for them. This kind of election is not for things that is a foregone conclusion. And Kwame Mestre, I never come on my page just in Kojo Kyeremanteng so buy you know. What the process is here, Juma, roadmap here, Juma. If you look at Obi say one case of the Paya John Bodu or Hono, no matter be one koye. No matter be one and koye, especially a group by the me cast some say, open so many possible money scanning to me. In 2016, before 2016, when Wontumi came in as a regional chairman, the NPP was moving as a unit before he was coming. Kwame Obe take it over. Almost 2016 no. When they were in opposition, Obiang was doing na ye. But after some winning power ni ye no. And one of the true being and the true nature of people decided to come out. A boy is in the arrogant and no maybe a cocoa because my own standing no problem. And our president told me it affected the new patriotic party. Now let's not forget, in 2016 elections, the NPP has 76.77. In 2020, it dropped by 71%. It tells us that there's a certain kind of problem in the party and they have to fix it. They should not just sit down and say there be Kwame. Every 4 years they say I appreciate it. No. If 2020, if 2020, that's a 2020, that's a 2024, 2022, it means that the figure it keeps on appreciating. There's no joke with it. Master NPP for if they are going for elections, now your internal elections allow the masses to decide. Don't suppress the will of the people. Mamon fight Jubilee House, and a son of man found him na man for and a Jubilee House buafu. Jubilee House would mean when Yajuma, Obaka Panaquanca. And I come on the TV. Obaka him no.
TV. What I've got to make a cherry.
On TV.
Me I'm TV.
Hey,
now grab them no Gyamfi.
Kwame. Obati dabi ye koye so be ni wie ye and the bend be we betima na mo papa so ni nya adwuma. Ah, omo ka so omo se Jubilee House. Omo ka unse Jubilee House ni so ndu mu ni pa kwa ko bisa no. Mo so omo come se Jubilee House.
You papa ba ko bele.
Mo say
you know that papa ba ko bele.
And now obati Jubilee House buafu. Jubilee House said dabi on ba ye bi dabi on timi we nya adwuma, on timi we nya adwuma. And yes, you are suppressing the will of the people. You don't allow the people to take their own choice.
Jubilee House who know what you.
Ananti bebre. Hey, but Jubilee House sa word no. Wo no me ya yika kra bia wo so o da bi Jubilee House so mo mpesa. Jubilee House so metimi kwame pe na ya adwuma. Timi nkonko to ba man kwame. And yes, you are suppressing the will of the people. And yes, the roadmap you to aba ni wi a. Da bia ne kase nipa wa wani aba no. Enya ne yase ti se de walu so. Kwame sa kwa say football game. If you play a football match, na se u lose, na se referee performance on that day. Na the performance nya basement kama kono efe ujitum se sa match we die obetimi win match mi catch referee we die oboa me untimi pen as a referee die one mamu anka asamo to me means a referee edi and better the person but obi so wo a odimi lose we etimi catch us sa game we die so wa wini ono atimi catch us sa
no ko edi obi ko we no want them so edi na better
kwami ndu wo no kasa timi jitum Jamaican say Kwame, the NPP hierarchy system should sit down.
Okay.
The top officials, this thing they should identify it's a problem.
Right.
They should get solutions from where I sit. Say out of 47 constituencies, now say 22 independent candidates are. Can I say the party is not attractive? Can I put it that way? Can I put it that way?
Of course.
Can I say the party is not attractive? Because yes, Kwame, are they attractive? No, they be American. A man for Cheben, a man for Casa de Bia de me pesa me no matter the basic. But come if last 4 years Nipa 20, this and Nipa 22 are moving away from the new patriotic party and going as independent candidates, then it's going to affect the new patriotic party.
Of course, it's going to help affect them. I don't know if I same way. Even our office scratch shell.
Yes.
Out of 22, no, 3 are very critical.
3
very critical. Very critical.
Media. And not
that 3, no.
Yes.
Bako onya, bako independent candidate onya, ba we hadwin. Ba jo temi.
Mi te opa.
Bako onya, ba we hadwin. Obe ma NPP candidate in abre. I don't want to come out with names of those constituencies now. But I'll surely come out with those names about it. But bako bi so ho so but the possibility that he will win 65% 70 independent candidate role.
Really?
65%.
Really?
The possibility that he will win. And the second one on so hormone. A neck to neck. The because a train very critical pa. Sa train baku uniform onya obe ha drink keke. Second one also a neck to neck 50-50. And the me gina ha me ya catch us say ehunu ono and it's 65% be there. Because the kind of support our okura or galvanizing in that constituency ahemfo minus and one the youth any idea see tuoguneti no. Now when you come to the NPP side according to kwa hono. Yes. Bra. He only needs to play safe and walk through to
the person was a true MPP.
Oh, he was
a true MPP.
He was.
But maybe because of the roadmap, communication is a powerful tool. Explain matters. People around them that advise them, or more council of elders, they always create problems for this kind of people. Ebia sango when I show huni parka kasane kasa and kanya problem. Enko uko kwishana yeden uko shade no betima ko betima wani anko nmi anwene woni baba ahoso no na ebia ono mum na masses ne pe ona amanfo pe hwe kwame eno atepa boyi memetie I'm totally convinced say baby say Asante Bediatuo it will take a divine intervention for the NPP to win. Eno atepa na boy whether it was doctored from where I sit and what I heard, they are opting for plan B plan A no man say enya adwuma plan A ne say the masses are saying they are going to give him his nominal votes say as an insult FM guy no beto ba dia ma no now if you listen to the plan B ni say they want to swap ballot boxes enya sa say sa pa na tie dia and the message say they have to conduct investigation into this they have to set up a committee say DCE ne kwa na so man ko pe ba bi to man ko pe ba bi ntina electoral commission pa vote na so no kan no was so many electoral for ni bi di nkomo sa nkofo nya say transfer
oh transfer na komo
okay,
you can say it's an allegation.
And I'm
so you can't just say tell them you can call for investigation first.
And I'm if it is true.
But okay, you have to do an investigation.
So you do your investigations, then you get your basis. Then you look at the relevance of the matter.
One person is in phone so
yes.
And we say.
The reason why I mean fast in Niago is Kwame another it. See I'm funny say ye krum hobono. Regional minister ni Kofi Apaluko dim komo na regional minister catch say that be aba no kura no na bia ye hwe sunya ho ye ntimi nwina ba ne pesi ye wia ba no na say swap ballot boxer. I will not take it to be a joke. One, you look at the portfolio of the person nipa na okasa he understands the nitty-gritty about security. We should not joke with it. Nipa no need think more ultimate faith and confidence within me.
I understand you perfectly.
What I say you say somehow can what
edu baby so in politics what relationships it's saying
one
the cancer nipa no cancer no fano
so I say me per my chest there you say answer am say muntam nye
so muntam enye ti orukwa na ye no wan say afedi e obe friend say
thank you
boame
thank you utie na asem so bi mo say ayi abo papuma report na ma regional minister bisa say there any problem and so it tells you say Kwame you should not joke with it and this kind of elections
Professor Jenano Pokwajman, the running mate of the NDC, urges Ghanaians to reject the NPP government, accusing it of causing widespread hardship. Dr. Bawumia is still in the Asante region campaigning, promises to create more jobs if he becomes the next president. Benoa Akwawe.
Abrahame, Major Woso.
Now where?
Nyamia Dom Nemon Bible, let's say.
Yes, in the Bantama Shiki.
Ewa dear.
That's about me on constituency.
Nabrahame. Bawumia so Asante region, so you moshe.
Oh, that.
And I don't know. Can it in any yet Asante Memo? Na yeti NPP. Say Asante Memo, which must a region is shaky. Oh, it was so. And no, as our time, no, Kukuruju, I see, I was so. Kukuruju, yes, shaky. This time round, Yang Asante Memo for who says, Sabe, a man yourself na ye, no, and yet it's the end and ye cassia will meet to Muchinchine. They say this time round, ye shampoo to Juma, what yaba. Na ya share sitting him. Na fe ya sa share a boy will share ye.
That's right.
And someone will catch ye. What's him yet is so na and yet it near money beam. And to me, but my constituency, me by me from a party office neighbor. And cafes no say NPP beje rally. And Kakron win any blue and white. But as usual, can no mu me by me who a bastin no. From Bantama to Kokwase baby or more rally no. And so bass in the mo picking power to be that. Brakwabe what to be that. Yet a Bantamo. Bass in the Museya ne packing pa Eddie Womoko. T-shirt is the more 200 Ghana setchri.
Exact.
I don't know, Papa. 200 Ghana setchri.
Uncle Jibi.
Sani yet no. Sana amount for the betchetchery. What T-shirt our 200 Ghana cities are setchri.
Wow.
Enti wo ye ni ye ya eno na make acha me bant mama say se ko mo ye ni ye ya nko mo ni mate oba ye ni niam na o ka so de be gu akwan so eno no wo ye ya unhia se obe ma party t-shirt na wo sade sika ata ye kire enka nipa ne di odo na abekọ e di ababa be ye campaign di ama enti ye wra onya maaye onduru ho
oh
me by no nuru yes me me free bantman e badare
oh my sir and it be a pressure ni ho no
pressure bay
e bi oba e bi oba pon because of kono hwe unya kwan go
oh
traffic
wow traffic ne de beba na sabre ya car na mu a esese ni pay de wa hwa ye kwada so ye boase ye we ye park ni park ya
fa man bo frara
ko se anye ya onko fa ni pa Yetna ye bantama. Brakwa meshe. Enka typical of Asenso. Honorable. What you can ye work first time. NDC, Honorable Kojo Kyeremanteng, NDC parliamentary candidate. Ye work ni we ni pursue papa no. I was for BM Sadeba. So the presidential candidate aba.
Yeah.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Subeba Bantu. It's yet the match the boot for boot.
The boot for boot.
No.
Or the cinema too. Or the cinema
canon.
Hey.
Resources or digu aquem and webbing ye digu aquem.
Why you ready?
Yeah, you're ready.
Get.
Yeah, boy, Juma.
Wonderful. Mate, any moons say Vida a J Boating Bebana Ansana no. 23 more days to the polls. Professor Jane Nano Pukwajma Asma Waka, Dr. Bawumia in Ashanti region. Meanwhile, minim baby abe peso be chance free amame.
Bra Kwame, my yenchi brena yenchi ado for omutie Lawson radio any on TV nyina ye mo bibia ajo. Na menchia me party mpanyimfo nyina. Memfa akonya we nchia obatampa. Ma me asabe ne nofo ye nofo emodro amanse nyina ano. Ye mami Lodina Mahama owo kroyimo ye ma nakwa ababio na ye nkanche ne se obatampa sabe
Lodina
okumase enei empuntu juma wo je Lodina de empuntu juma uhu se mami ko baabi na ye hospital no okobia no se nye hospital no okobia no na ye equipment no de kwache se nye equipment no de kwacha na ye niema sabe oman ni benya ne ho mfaso we enye makeups sembia ma me no oyo baby asabe o wotema wa badaye edima we humobro de ma mata itima me ye wa kwaba e wa Asante mu minim se ye nyame ya adom ochena obekọ kejetia no ne edwafo no akọ akodi enkomo enti ne babene wa ama na kwaba e wa Asante mu bra kwame me pese me hye enkomo na si efri de ye maame Professor Jane Nana ekano.
Okay.
Hwe enye bibia kwase yeji wo ba se wo mebo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Chido medical culture say ideally ema wa bataye ema wotema ema krade na ade no afifi enti so be sha won say ema efa yefunu a ye kra mofra no no wie so ya sabo atete amana be ye panyini wodaache enti mi enye me wanwa say me maami ye bo ne din niema wode ba on board bia ye niema asabe ebeboa o man ne nkyekere asemu a o ka say yentu aba mfentia ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne NPP abai no odika because medical yaka say election we na ye kono enye ye di twa me ye funuma abato ne ye koto enye me ya santini nti no wasa me to aba tribalism ne ye de koto aba debi enye se me free ha ene ye de koto aba na emum ensema wo kan ya wo de beje itumi niema wo so be ya ma wo manfo nneoma pa sika aba wo nsem ho akontabuo pa ena wudi edi ache wo manfo ni ahweso ni egina de ato abama wo amu abefa akonya ne di afi bra kwame hwe NPP aban ebesi sui omo kan sem bebre de che Ghana fo eyeye na sansem na wo mo kan ye no omo titi dwumade a enka me bene wan ka me ye campaign di ama NPP aban but ensem na omo kan ye no omo anye ena me ne wo ka say John Dramani Mahama time wo see Ghana for emfa to me ni mawo na bra bedi akonya ne so efi se John Dramani Mahama enya ade ya mo see sa time na CD to dollar no na eye 4 Ghana cedis enti no enye oman ni mo ayedene Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia hold lectures upon lectures ebisa 170 questions ena me ne wo ka say bra kwame CD no to dollar eye 17 Ghana cedis kwanse kura guso Ninyi na echi no Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ntimi mbegina Ghana fo ani mu nkankyere omo se mia na meka se economy no meye na sese de agime nsem enti no ye ankoye enti Ghana fo yi momfa me mfo nso nkyeme wo se ensa anto aba ama no papa wei ene na ban ka kire ye se bosiabo eye lazy man's approach to governance ye mami osla ka che Ghana for say enka here say yem kwabo bosia emfa mechechire wo man a ye ba 18 years kran ko betimi yabu man enti bosia bo enye Ghana 40 wo wase from enkonoma time ebesi yewra John Dramani Mahama so bra kwame na bosia yabo nyina ye 120 billion ena me ne wo ka say NPP aban led by Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia etimi ahwe nyankopon anim amene ye bosia bono ayet to say the emblem of their party osno ena me ne wo ka say bosia ne do close to 760 billion obisa won say sika na moje ye no edin na modi aya mo say Russia Ukraine war Russia for privacy ne no omo inflation digits no eye papa che Ghana hanoma yenko Russia kofa ahwe mfemfiri ho eti ye bisa o enema mo promise Ghana for mo se mo be stabilize the Ghana city mo se mo be ma me kai Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or say there will be jobs ena me ne wo ka say John Dramani Mahama time wo chia NPP for communicators a obeka cho say NDC time na adwuma ni unemployment and fahin kosia yet the unemployment rate our John Dramani Mahama time na 8.4 ena me ne wo ka say wo bisa NPP obeka ya fa adwuma 210 ya kanesa na de ato yet unemployment rate is close to 15%. Enti ye bisa o sanye ma we ni enhwe so nto abanana bra kwame uwa ha ene o muka che say a gallon of petrol na ye 14 Ghana cedis abusuafo me sanye ma we na ye hwe de akoto abo na a gallon of petrol 14 Ghana cedis mosi amemo ne nye e de ahocha aba Ghana forso enti ye nto abantia ye ya to abatia ye yo ene a gallon of petrol close to 70 Ghana cedis. Close to 70 Ghana cedis. Mosema yenka ho asem Russia Ukraine war COVID-19. Na ye bisaw. Sa we nya hwe ama wase a ye say jai ebo ne kro no.
Ye mo ne kro no.
Bra kwame eno nti say ye behwa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ka che say mutimi twia rent ana debi. Mutimi twia water bill ana debi. Mutimi twia light bill ana debi. COVID-19 breso he bra kwame yade pain ene ba Ghana edisi kasa aka ho e de bre Ghana fo hwe COVID-19 sika twitwiri de e de ba bai we mu Felicia Tete NPP parliamentary candidate wonale rigo wase sika no wo mu chedi wono ne de wonya close to 1 billion enti no yemisa se COVID-19 no edi yedie ne ba ya na se dia
96.3
you see enyema bai we ye nyina enkoje na unya ban ya sabe o wotima ewe hu mobro wo na abaya obo baba be ka cho se NDF sifo se enkokon katenkate na ye bisa wo se abanya wo se o be ye planting for food and job meboa poultry farming enye under farming activity ana enti mi bisa o NPP for me new avoid there ba be kasa mi bisa na sembra kwa mi woni ano mame sa wo pesa wonya enkoko a eye enkoko etisa wo so no ne yede hya ase ye ana se enkoko ma ne yede hya ase ye mi bisa wo mu bra kwa me se ye enkoko a etisa wo so no ene yede hya poultry ase ana se enkoko ma ana enkoko nkete ne yede hya poultry ase meni wuti ha no ma ye kasa yi Ghana ha ye kra of adampem onimo of adampem enkoko funu no ye jamboka wo ho ye kra close to 5 billion e de ba ye maimo enti se a visionary leader e ka se e kwanya ye befa so ne die a create employment avenue ama Ghana for mebunu enye biaje na ye nya biedi ama ye man na fa ne ntoma pefra amesidi no ejina brane ebi ni poultry na poultry ni den na ye be supply with them with the they all chick no na ye the feed aka won ho na wa hye adwuma na se wonyen no se akokɔ abrofo de no 6 months no wa ase etukosua na wo ton so eyeye but wo benya NPP ni a obeba be catch or say wo ye poetry ase a chese nkokwa nketenkete nkokobuo mitnas na medwene wa na mebisa say enti eye boapaye ana say eye sheda na aye te say obi a wa sheda no wada na onyane na osimi nyane ye because obi sheda kase woda onyane na enye dia meka che Ghana for ne say NDC woni pa bebre de Ghana for NDC this time round yet nieme gu akwemu ubisa NPP for say a day na mode ya Ghana for say it is possible ubisa ne say day na wode bo Ghana mpuntu a wasi free SHs bra kwame ene yen settle sa score ne wa ya na yemfa ensi ha me bisaw ansana school bejina brand me to me your church ni by profession minimum say school bejina brand ya ye ko school e wo school dem enti sabanya oni pipa oni eni suade hu no wo mofra da ache ho woni etema e wo mofra education ho obesi school adaya na bibisaw John Dramani Mahama buying a modern facility the e-blocks no sawufa ba kwa oni mnieme e wo block ni ya wo science lab ya wo dental lab ya wo computing lab chese a modern infrastructure na Ghana John Dramani Mahama city ma Ghana for asante meyimu yenya makoma ko 13 enei e fa mofra wo mu ye free SHs no John Dramani Mahama shall say with the progressive free SHs Okwa yes na fayin kosia me de bia me see governance a continuous process.
Yes.
Enti bra kwame senku obi ahase with the progressive free SHs.
Okay.
Na wo so ba na wo betoa so na wo ye total free wo ye free SHs a. E kan e bone ni de he.
Right.
Ne bone ni de he. But as the typical of NPP omo hu say afi eniema omo kan ye nyina atonsiom economy na jija. Hey, infrastructural development atonsiom enyoma pa wo mo kan ye ni nyina no enyema ni nyina ye one district one factory ye hu ba bia factories ni sisi one village one dam how akum sense sika ye de man no enye meaningful dam wo Ghana ha. It is our policy na tonsiom one village one warehouse one debe one dien sani meni nyina age won sem enti yen kwa rely on free SHs midi manusi no dia make che Ghana for ne say NDC led by John Dramani Mahama eni ye maami Professor Jainana yes see free SHs debusua yen twamu china enti se money campaign message fufuro bia mon hwehwe fufuro na mon fam
me da say
Yo, if you're winning reporter, abeto yepuno so. Se we subscribe to channel na Bawumia say obe subscribe. Na fe wa like the video na fe share ma Ato Forson na wenye bi hwe sanse hadie latest and hot news. Nkwa eramede bremo. Oso betimi ache wadwen afa eye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mubeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.